would just like to take 2 minutes of your time to explain some development acronyms. With often when you go online, you see acronyms and then you're not sure what they are. Here are some that I personally didn't know, and I would just like to share that with you. Now, I/O, input-output operations of a database, writing, input-output operations, processing. The faster this is, the better. Now, SQL. SQL is a query language used to recover, modify, or do anything with data within a database. CSS. CSS is what we use to style websites. LAN, local area network. LAN is a local area network. It is on your local network in your office, all the computers put together, or on your home network. FIFO, first in, first out. I'm sure that is quite self-explanatory. Sdk Software Development Kit is all the tools needed for a particular tool, or to make something work the way you want it. For instance, Java, if you want to build something, you need a specific software development kit. WAN, wide area network. That is the internet, the World Wide Web. CPU, central processing unit. This is what is used, the main component of your PC, the most important component in my view. This is what executes tasks and things like that. DNS, domain name server. This links IP addresses to domain names. So if you have, say, www.hello.com and you have an IP address, that IP address 192.1.1.1 is linked to that host name. So when you display it, it's retrieved as a pair and the page is displayed. That's very basic. I don't want to get into details. I'll make another video with all the details of DNS, but that's for the basic. TCP IP, commonly used protocol to send requests over the internet. Very popular, very widely used. Quality assurance. This is basically software testing. FTP, file transfer protocol, is what we use to transfer, upload and download large volumes of files to and from the World Wide Web. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This is what gives, in your local area network, this is what gives all your computers an IP address. The service is run on either a server or a router. IP address. An IP address, as you know, it's used to identify your laptop, desktop, or other device. UI, user interface. UI is the part of the program you interact with. Like, yeah, file, this whole thing is a user interface. And that's it. I hope these few acronyms, maybe you didn't know one or two of them, maybe you didn't know all of them, maybe you knew all of them, but I hope I could help you out in some way. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.